It is a food court night court. The tragic case of a Georgia woman who claims allegedly tainted food she ate at Taco Bell caused her to become paralyzed. Wanda Shattuck says she only ate half of her Nachos Bel Grande meal because it looked different and tasted dried out. Now, days later, she was hospitalized, diagnosed with a rare immune disorder, and became a quadriplegic. She's now suing Taco Bell on 7 counts, including negligence. Taco Bell is denying selling any contaminated food. So let's bring in our legal eagles, civil rights attorney Robert Patillo and former U.S. attorney and host of the Talking Feds podcast, Harry Litman. Welcome back to you both.
Thanks, Shannon.
Okay, let's start with Exhibit A. This is from eatthis.com. It outlines the case. It says within approximately 4 hours of after going to bed, after she'd eaten these nachos, Shattuck allegedly woke up with chills, diarrhea, and severe stomach pain. 5 days later, she allegedly began to experience issues using her hands and subsequently lost control of all of her limbs. According to the complaint, Shattuck was admitted to a nearby hospital's intensive care unit for a month. Robert, that doesn't sound good.
Not at all. No, this is absolutely a tragic case for this woman. We hope that she gets the justice that she deserves. But I do think it's going to come down to an evidentiary issue when it comes to pending liability upon Taco Bell. Are they able to determine that it is a Taco Bell issue and not an individualized franchise issue or an individualized employee issue? Or even if they can trace back causality to the actual Taco Bell and not to a different environmental issue or something else that she ate during the course of this time, because there were several days, if not weeks, between the time of consuming the Taco Bell and when the symptoms were onset. So I think the issue is going to be getting the type of medical experts and forensic experts and nutritional experts in to determine if this will be something that can be tracked back to Taco Bell and whether or not you simply can go after them in this.
Yeah, the experts could be very helpful in a case like this. Takes us to Exhibit B. Now, this is the answer to her complaint. In it, the defendants deny the sale of any food product contaminated with unhealthy and dangerous foodborne pathogens, which was unsafe and unfit for human consumption. Harry, they say, not us.
You know, Shannon, we have some cases on Night Court that have levity and are sort of fun. This is not one of those. This is a heart-rending case. Guillain-Barré you can get from contaminated food. You wouldn't wish it on your worst enemy. On causality, she starts to have symptoms within a couple hours, and the progress of the disease is consistent with what you would get if you had contaminated food. She'll certainly have medical evidence that says that this is the cause. It sure seems like it was, and that means it'll get past a motion to dismiss, to get sort of technical in response to Robert, and it will have to go to trial. And I think that, you know, no sane defendant could possibly afford to go to trial with this incredibly sympathetic plaintiff on the other side.
Yeah.
This is a tragedy. We've got a lot of joke cases out there. This is one where we really need the tort system to compensate someone who, out of the blue, her life is now basically over.
And you got to think, as you said, you know, we counsel our clients, and you got to think about taking a particularly sympathetic plaintiff before a jury is a very tricky thing, and you have to make a good decision here. But for now, Taco Bell is continuing to say there is no causality or connection, so we'll have to see that. That's what evidence for trial and expert testimony is about. Right. Let's take it to Exhibit C. They say this: Wanda Shattuck sustained serious and permanent physical and emotional injuries, as well as pain and suffering as a result of the consumption of a food product purchased at the Taco Bell. Robert, she's pointing the finger directly at them. It was that meal. That's when she got sick, and that started this whole domino effect.
Absolutely. I'm certain that her lawyers are going to have to prove those claims at trial, and Taco Bell will vigorously defend the fact that they of trying to trace directly the food that they sold to this disease, which the woman did later contract. But I think this is also why it's important that we highlight many of these cases that are brought into court. There are the joke cases that are not serious tort cases that gum up the court system, because for every one of those cases, there is a real case such as this one that may not get the attention or may not get the public sympathy behind it because of so many of these frivolous cases that are simply made for publicity or to get a settlement.
Yeah. Quick final word to you, Harry.
Sure. I agree with Robert. They're going to have to show it, but not at trial. I think they'll show it on a motion to dismiss. They'll say, here's evidence. And once it gets to a point where a judge says, okay, you can go to a jury, Taco Bell will wave the white flag.
Yeah, I mean, I had clients who the evidence against them did not look good. They didn't want to pay a dime. They didn't want to open the door to other potential settlements, and others who said, all right, let's go forward and see what we can do. We'll track this case because it really is something that none of us would ever expect could happen. We'll see how it gets resolved. In the meantime, Robert and Harry, have a great weekend.
Thanks, Shannon.
Thanks, Shannon. Thanks, Robert.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.